Hi, I'm Sam Genty, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL Loan Library at the Hollywood Distribution Center. Welcome to the video series on Read and Write. These features help support all learners through universal education, Tier 1 support in the Florida's multi-tiered system of supports. Students using Read and Write can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase their engagement during instruction of the Florida Best Standards. This episode will focus on HoverSpeech and ScreenshotReader. The HoverSpeech tool in Read and Write for Google Chrome allows you to do text-to-speech on a web page. I will be demonstrating the HoverSpeech feature on our TLC-MTSS website. To use HoverSpeech, click the Read and Write icon on the top right corner. In the Extensions drop-down menu, click Read and Write for Google Chrome. The Read and Write toolbar will appear above the page. Then click the HoverSpeech icon on the toolbar. This will turn on HoverSpeech. To activate HoverSpeech, just place your cursor where you want to start reading.
Welcome to the Technology and Learning Connections Passport to Learning program. Passport to Learning is a micro-credential professional learning system that is designed for Florida educators, specialists, and related service providers that serve Florida students.
Read and Write uses dual color highlighting, which helps students improve comprehension. You can choose from a variety of voices by going into More, Options menu, under Speech, click the Voice drop-down, and select your preferred voice. You can also adjust the reading speed and turn continuous reading on or off. Like the HoverSpeech, the ScreenshotReader allows you to read text from websites, but also Google Docs, slides, and PDFs. ScreenReader will even read inaccessible text from images or PDFs. To open the ScreenshotReader, click the ScreenshotReader icon from the toolbar, then just draw a box around the text you'd like to read.
Welcome to the Technology and Learning Connections Passport to Learning program. Passport to Learning is a micro-credential professional learning system that is designed for Florida educators, specialists, and related service providers that serve Florida students.
You can also use the pause, stop, and play buttons to control the reading. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye out on our website for additional videos and support. Thank you.